Good evening, all. My name is Mr. Aniket Putle, and my fellow group member is Mr. Bhushan Bongade and a project guide, Mr. Fazil Hussain sir. Our project title is Experimental Setup of Hydrodynamic General Bearing Experiment, various factor of speed, load, and lubricants. Our content is introduction, project aim and objective, literature review and research, design and reference. First, starting with the introduction. Introduction is the general bearing is the most common type of plain bearing. It consists of sleeve with a shaft rotating in it and a lubricant restricting the contact between them. This project analyze and determine the pressure distribution and behavior of general bearing under different lubricants and loading conditions. This apparatus helps to study the effect of variables such as speed, viscosity, and load on the pressure distribution in a general bearing. The aim of a project is to determine and study experimental state of a hydrodynamic general bearing under various factors of speed, load, and lubricants. Our objective is to determine the pressure distribution along circumference and the length of the bearing, to study the effect of different lubricants under various loading conditions, to study the effect of variables such as speed under different operating conditions, to determine the efficient lubricants on a general bearing. Literature findings are, these are some points we get while going through various research papers. Experimental analysis of hydrodynamic general bearing have analyzed the various parameters on hydrodynamic general bearing under various lubricants. Next, parameter is formed from the term as oil viscosity, load, speed, and bearing. The use of synthetic lubricant yield the best possible performance. Addition of nanoparticles increase the viscosity of lubricants and turns change the performance characteristics of general bearing. These are the various literature findings. And next, these are the design and fabrication of model. As we start with the oil tank, this is the oil tank in which oil of various grade is put, and we use 16 tubes in which we use 16 tubes each of 60 meter each. We fill this oil with a tube tubes with the oil of various grades on which experiment to be performed. Firstly, we set up a datum at 30 degrees 30 centimeter. Then we increase the speed of motor with the help of thermostat. This is the DC motor in which speed is gradually increased after putting oil in the tube. After that, this is the design and analysis of CAD model. Mainly we use SE20 as a reference of fluid at various speed. These are the various graphs which is been plotted after getting reading on the experimental setup. The comparison of pressure head at various speed. This is the various point on the pressure head. These are the comparison of the graph of various fluid at various speed. The future scope of the project is the dynamic analysis of general bearing and friction analysis. These are the various references that we are used while going through research paper. These are some references that we are used while researching. And this is our final project. That's it. Thank you.